coming, and these are the 15 most print models you need in your spooky season collection. Perfect to decorate, collect, and of course, making some extra cash selling them in this Halloween. So grab your orange filament and let's check them out. This pranky model literally has his head open, with a joint along the seam that makes it super fun to pose. It's fully printed in place, so it comes out of the printer just like that. It was designed as a mini articulated model to make multicolor printing easier, and you can print several at once for selling. But don't be scared by the size of ours. We printed a really big one just because we love this model so much. If you've got a sweet tooth, you don't need to lose your head like this guy. Even though it's a large model, it's great for decoration because it's really easy to print and works perfectly in a single color. It's also a good piece to sell because of its big useful design. Halloween icon alert! I didn't print one or two, I printed 3 pumpkins with that evil grin. They make great tabletop ornaments for Halloween parties or even more subtle settings like an office. They're also economical to print if you are not into multicolor. If you are afraid of spiders, you might want to stay away from this one. These little spiders are articulated, print in place, and have 4 eyes. You can print them in batches since they are easy to arrange on the build plates. And for anyone planning to sell for Halloween, they also have an option to become keychains or bag charms, which are super trendy right now. This one's for that person who took too long to propose and ended up turning into a zombie. But high five anyway. It's easy to print, makes for a great table decoration, and can even be a fun toy for kids. Hey there! Ready for something cute? This little witch cat is a candy holder and a perfect guardian for your sweets. I printed the body on one bed and the hat on another to optimize printing. Thought I'd forget about masks? No way! I picked this cool field mask that was a huge download hit, and I printed in silk silver. It comes out stunning and spooky. Since it's single color, it's very economical to print and wear right now. And if you like things even darker, check out this year's new masks. They are seriously sinister. I will leave the link in the description. Next up, I printed this adorable little Grim Reaper to decorate my setup. She's just chilling, gaming with her headset on, not looking for trouble. But if you're not into gaming and prefer relaxing, I printed another one too. This one really got me, with her towel and cucumber on her eyes. Seriously, we'll take 10 please. The cool thing about these models is that they work even past Halloween season because of their vibe. I related to the gamer one because I love games, and they also come in keychain versions, which helps with sale potential. The whole drop also has multi-part options, making it faster and more economical to print. Another fan favorite, these little dragons got new skins for Halloween. This one, the Pumpkin Guardian, is super easy to print and assemble. Just snap the pieces together and it's ready. And then there's the skeleton version. Looks awesome, but careful, this one bites. They're great as toys or even sold as assembly kits. Since they don't need glue, the wings and head just snap into the body. Of course, we couldn't skip a wreath. And this cat and pumpkin one turned out adorable. I printed in multi-parts, then just attached the pumpkins and eyes, ready to hang on the door or print a bunch to sell. Another multi-part and seriously creep model, this clown. It comes completely disassembled, but includes assembly instructions. And what if I leave without a teeth? No, too creepy! I even made a custom head using STL AI and had the team finishing some details. Which version do you like best? The cool part is that you can print the clown's outfit in any color you like. To light the way to our candy, I printed 2 super popular models. First, this poison bottle lamp. I printed the bottle part with a single wall so the light could shine through, and the rest normally. Then just assemble and plug it in. You can pick your poison color. I went with green. And my absolutely favorite and top download is this pumpkin with slime in the middle. It's turned out so beautiful, especially when lit up. Some process, I printed the slime part with one wall and the rest normally. It's a really unique lamp, easy to print and assemble. Perfect for selling and decorate in this Halloween. Tell me in the comments which one was your favorite and which one you are printing first. And if you want more lists like this with ideas to sell on special occasions, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Boo-hoo!